Watch where you're going.
Don't let me slow you down.
Keep an eye out.
Hang on, what was that?
Could still be someone out there. Could still be someone out there.
Yeah, that's not normal.
Keep on your toes. Stay alert, just in case. Keep an eye out. Could still be someone out there. Keep on your toes.
Ah! Stop! Don't let him out of your sight. It's pretty clear how this is gonna go. Pack it in. Give it up. No one gets off the watch list. Come on, shoot back. I live for this shit. You're not getting away from me, motherfucker. I'm moving on the target. Check her out. Saw him here. Need help! Wounded here!
I'll cover you.
You're out of luck.
Moving up. Think you're good? I'm better.
coming for you.
I'm coming for you.
Help here!
Get your head down if you think that'll save you.
Go! I'm coming!
See how close you can get.
Okay, I got this.
Move up! Go! Pin him in!
Over that way. Go that way. Son of a bitch! He's running! Now or never. Whoa, help! Move! Look out!
All right.
There! An opening!
Oh,
Move
this is
in!
perfect. I should have been paid more up front. Holy shit! I'm gonna kick that out.
Hit the ground!
Get to cover.
That's it. I'm hacked in.
What? You mean you're in the CTOS already?
I'm looking at the network as we speak. You got your access, and I've got mine. Profiler system's online. Everybody's nasty little secrets at the click of a button. This thing's highlighting all kinds of stuff in the district. I could take advantage of some of this.
Keep an eye out for online traffic. Could be fixers in the network.
If I can see them, they can see me. All right, I gotta move. I made a lot of noise here.
Give me time to track your caller. I'll be in touch.
Hey, I need you to cover something for me.
What is it?
I lined up a lucrative deal with a very demanding client.